Many wanted to know this most favorite, my Benz experience. Because many wanted me to repeat, I am repeating. 1979-80, first batch, our hostel and college were under construction, and all these Brindavan boys used to stay in the old hostel opposite to the Swami's Mandir. And we are permitted to sleep in the portico, bhajan hall, everywhere. And every day morning, we used to have Swami's darshan and then go to college. Do you know where was our college in the first year? Ishwaramba School, first floor. Ground floor, Ishwaramba, and top floor, Satya Sai Baba. So that is how the whole campus was going on. And we used to have darshan and go. One day, one pious devotee, he brought a beautiful car, 1980 model Benz car, green color, and he said, Swami, this is my humble gift to you, please accept. Swami said, Nakenduku, Naku car unde. Swami, please, Swami, take Swami, take Swami. No, don't waste money. I don't need all these things. I have enough. Why all that you are doing? Please, Swami, please, Swami. And that devotee pleaded with Swami for almost a week. Whenever Swami comes outside, this man will be on his knees and goes on praying. Just to make this gentleman happy, one day Swami called then Mr. Radhakrishna to drive the car. And then Swami came, car was ready, green Benz. And Swami came to the slope, and there few boys were seated. Swami looked at those boys and said, Then all the boys wondering, means what? Pundra, go man. Where? Swami said, get into the car. Wow. Chaos and confusion. When they said, get into the car, you find 100 fellows running into the car. And then finally, in the front, 3 guys sat, one on each other. And behind 4 guys sat and gave a small place for our beloved Lord to adjust. And Swami, little Krishna, he goes there, he also comes that side, hey, koncham jaragandi, and he settled himself. And this side, doors closed, car started, rest of the gangsters came back, and the car glided. 15 minutes later, car comes, and who comes out of the car? Only Lord gets down from the car. Magic. Where are the boys? What happened to the boys? So we were all wondering, what happened? Then Swami came, anyway, you guys have to go to college. So I dropped those guys in the classroom and I came back. He said, wow, that was great. Then we thought, lucky guys, man, lucky man, you're so lucky, man, like that. Next day, the performance repeated. The next day, performance repeated. Later on, what happened? Interview room door, and nobody sits in front of interview room door because all the boys, Pillelakada, Swami last, Pillelakada, near the car, not near the interview room. Because the moment they wait for the signal, that's all. Everybody will be getting into the car. I thought, what a foolish guy I am. I felt I'm a very disciplined boy. You know, Swami won't like rushing, running, pushing, pulling. So I very decently was sitting. Then I thought, guy, what are you up to? You are losing a golden opportunity. Come on, man. Join the gang, run and get into the car. Yes, self-motivated. On the third day, I also started running with the boys. But I could not match them because they had 3 days practice. I lost the race. And then finally came back with a long face. On the 4th day, I decided, like that, I should be indisciplined. Then only I can get into that car. The next day, even before Swami, then I also started running. Then finally what happened? Swami came and sat that side. Other boys settled down. And me, my left leg inside. My left hand inside. My half body inside. The other half is outside. I'm standing like Ardhanarishwara. And Kayaldas telling, go, I want to close the door. Go in, I want to close the door. Hey, boys, please, help me, adjust, hey, there's no place, man. Where to go? Please, he's pushing me, please, Oh, nothing is happening. Then Swami is wondering why the door is not closed and what's happening. Then Swami understood my predicament. Then Swami with a beautiful smile, and he told, Ray, ippudu digu, inkoka roju nenu teeskuveltanu. Now you get down, another day I will take you. Wow! From whose mouth? Lord, he has given me assurance. Yes, Immediately I came out. Only me, the entire devotees are watching. My ego humbled myself. Slowly I walked back, but only I knew that Swami gave an assurance that he will take me. The next day, like a big shot, I'm sitting there. I was under the imagination. Swami look at me. Yesterday you missed, no? Come on, go. If when Swami says go, even if the car is full, they will give me place because it's Swami's command. So I was sitting like that, erect, getting Swami's attention. Swami came, as usual. Pundi. Everybody Pundi. I am Akade Kurchundi. I am sitting there only. Car went off. Are, what is this? Maybe Swami tried to, patch up that day's situation. And for your information, that was the last day. And the next day, car kharab ho gaye. Car engine problem. So the whole program, the project was completed. And everybody forgot about it. And I also felt that maybe Swami just playing with me, and I also just forgot about the whole thing. I joined after this was my first year of studies. I finished my BCom, I finished my MCom. I joined as a teacher. And one of my colleagues was running high temperature. And he wanted bread. And those days, near Ganesha temple, opposite to the Ganesha gate, there is only one bakery called Sai Ganesh Bakery. And that is the only place where you can get cake, bread, and bun. So I took my colleague's cycle, I went there, picked up the bread, and I was coming, and just yesterday, the previous day, heavily rained. And in front of the primary school, lot of sand and this and that, the road also very steep and slope. Accidentally, my knee hit the handbar, right side, because on my right hand, I'm having a loaf of bread. Left hand, I'm managing the cycle. But what happened accidentally when I hit, my handbar like a steering wheel started rotating and I went forward. Just like Hanuman is having a mountain, I am having a bread piece and straight away landed safely on the road and turned back. The cycle was doing pulti, ups and downs, and the pedal of the cycle bashed me on my leg. Whether anybody is watching or not, prestige question. So immediately I got up. Then I saw on my leg, I could see white, something white. Then I knew that it was my bone. And the next thing what I saw was gushing like a fountain. What? Blood. That's all I saw. That's all I remember. When I opened my eyes, do you know where I was? In GH, Dr. Aldreja, 2-3 doctors around me, and my leg, big bandage. I said, what happened? Aldreja told me, nothing, just a hairline fracture and a ligament rupture. No, I have to go to Bhajan today evening. Don't worry, Baba. I've already told Swami, here, Vibhuti packet for you. So you already informed Swami also? Yes, informed Swami. Then finally, how many days? He said, just 6 weeks. My God, 6 weeks, I can't do anywhere. No, you need a complete bed rest. And finally, students used to come to hostel for my class because I can't go to class. They used to come for my period. Those days, after morning lunch, after bhajan and after lunch, Swami used to go for a nice drive. That used to happen even in Vrindavan also. Swami used to take the car and go till Madras Road and come back. And beautiful darshan and a special blessings for people. People wait on the road thinking that today Swami will come, That's a unique experience by itself. Then what happened? In a week, at least 3 to 4 days, Swami used to come. So Mr. Venkatachalam and Surya Narayana used to help me keep a Godrej chair near the gate, and I was sitting there, and invariably Swami will come. This side of the road, I am sitting. The other side of the road, Mango Grove, Sai Gita was waiting. So Swami will come, bless on the other side Sai Gita, this side Sai Surendranath. So this went on. And one day, that was Krishna Janmashtami day, and we took cycle rickshaw, and I wanted to attend that function. And Hyderabad people had come, beautiful program. And after the program, our cows and all the procession got over. And every time Swami will go to Gokulam to bless the couple, rest of the families living there, and also bless the rest of the cows and all that. So I knew that Swami will go. All the boys left to hostel, and I thought I will snatch one more darshan. I stayed back in the bhajan hall. I knew that Swami is going to go. I thought I will take one more darshan. Swami finished his lunch, came out. He saw me waiting there in the prayer hall. He said, hostel ko poleda. You didn't go to hostel? I said, Swami, my cycle rickshaw is waiting. I will go, Swami. Cycle rickshaw? Yes, Swami, he is waiting outside. Enduku cycle rickshaw? Na carlo ra. Get into my car, he said. He said, get into my car? Then immediately Kal Das and Mr. Radhakrishna, they gave me a support. And Swami was walking behind me, seeing me doing that jumping. And they placed me safely inside that car. And that car was this beautiful ADA 90 Benz car. And I was made to sit in this car. What a fantastic experience. Swami came and sat that side. Behind Swami and me, no crowd, no competition. Beautiful aroma, cool breeze, silence inside, because when the glasses are closed, silence inside. What a divine experience. And no security vans those days. So you can see both sides of the road, devotees standing on both sides. Some showing bye-bye, some praying, some asking for something, different actions. Amazing experience. Words will fail to that. When you touch the sandalwood, your hand also will smell that. If you touch jasmine, your hand also will smell that. My divine Lord touched me that day. I were lifted to that divine experience. Amazing, amazing experience. For once I thought, I too can lift my hand and bless. To that extent, he gave me an experience. Amazing. I will never forget that. Then Swami took me to Gokulam. Swami got down. Ikade kurcho. I will come back. I sat there. Swami came back, took me to the hostel, dropped me. All the boys said, Swami, please come to the hostel. Please come to the hostel. Swami said, no, 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 no. No, your warden didn't call me. If your warden don't call, how can I come? Your warden should call me. Some excuse. So immediately, no, Swami. Warden said, Swami, please, Swami, please, Swami. No, 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 I didn't come to your hostel. I just came to leave this guy here. So, get down. I also said, Swami, please come. Hey, no muskini digu, he said. Shut up and get down. I said, okay, fine. I got down, went to my room. I was a hero that day in front of all my classmates and all that. And then back of my mind, the word, hey, Digu, nini inkoka roju తీసుకువెళ్తాను. Boy, get down. I will take you another day. That is Satya, is my prachar. His words will never ever fail. You have to surrender to him. It took 5 years, 4 to 5 years for me. I forgot, but Divine Lord will never forget. Please, he is our sweetest Lord, and we are lucky to have him.